Pronouns means what? All the time, we have some seven pronouns. Okay, all the people know this one. Okay, I, you, we, they. Okay, he, she, and it. Okay, these are called uh, personal pronouns. But there are different other pronouns also. For example, you may have the words like all, some, okay, few, okay, many, several. All these are pronouns. Okay, some words like both, both, and each, okay, either. Okay, don't confuse with this either or. Okay, either or conjunction. But if you are using only either, it is a pronoun. Okay, neither also same. Okay, neither. Okay, neither also same. And the very important word there, actually it's an adverb. Okay, where are you going? I'm going there. But sometimes you may find this is a dummy, this one, there and it. These are, pronouns are used to introduce a sentence. If you don't have, there is raining. So what is there is raining? वहाँ पानी पड़ रहा है. नहीं 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 नहीं. There is raining means सब पानी पड़ रहा है. तो there है, this है, okay, that है, okay, and इसका plural होगा these, okay, and here those, okay, and such also we can use the word, other also we can use, and some words like somebody, okay, somebody, someone, okay, someone, okay, something, yeah, something is better than nothing. See, something, usually this is a preferred use of something is better than nothing. Nothing also there, okay, nothing, okay, nobody, okay, nobody is there, okay, nobody is there, okay, at home, okay. You can use the words like nobody, nothing, and also no one also we can use no one, okay, none. All this one, please note it down. These are all pronouns. I'm not going to say you this one is a distributive pronoun. This one, what it is called, indefinite pronouns, definite pronouns. No, just these are the words. Or important thing is the placement where it is used. I will show you. Here in this problem, this you may have the problem with this one. अरे सर यू आर जो है ना सेइंग कि दिस इज अ प्रोनाउन, लेकिन अब आपको मैं बताऊंगा उसको एडजेक्टिव कैसे यूज करेंगे. ये ऑल है, ये सम है, ये पूरे एडजेक्टिव भी यूज होते हैं. आई विल शो यू. ओके, अब उसको आप डिटरमिनर कह लें, कुछ भी कह लें, वो इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वेयर इट इज यूज. ओके, अब आप डिटरमिनर बोलें उसको या कुछ और बोल रहे हैं आप उसको. ओके, सम अदर वर्ड्स हैं जैसा कि समबडी है, everybody, okay, every also I write everybody, okay, everyone, okay. I will use here, okay, use this one, everyone, everybody, okay, everything is possible, and love, okay, everything can be possible, okay, everything, see, can be the verb, okay, can be, okay, everything, any also, did I write any here? Okay, any also, any, or anyone, okay, anybody, okay, anything, okay. All these are pronouns, okay. And did I write the word other also? Okay, other, just write somewhere here, other also, okay, other, another also is a pronoun. All these are pronouns. Remember, हम लोग pronoun वो तो खाली I, you, we, he, she, it तक रखते हैं. नहीं 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 नहीं, ये पूरे प्रोनाउंस है। और ये प्रोनाउंस में इसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड्स मिलेंगे आपको जो एडजेक्टिव भी होते हैं। मिसाल के तौर पे ये ऑल ले लीजिए आप। ओके, मैं आपको बताऊं ये, अच्छा वन, आई डिड आई राइट वन समवेयर हियर, वन, ओके, वन आल्सो, वन, नन, ओके, ऑल दीज वर्ड्स, ओके, आर pronouns, okay.